Can you believe that students tend to forget around 65% of what they learn? So what do you think the major reasons behind this could be? Well, one of them is the distractions that students face in the classroom. And of course, it is not easy to stay focused all the time. Another one is the struggle to keep up with the pace while copying the notes. And lastly, they end up with insufficient materials to revise at home. And that's where the digital board come to rescue with their fantastic recording lecture feature. With this feature, the entire classroom session can be recorded and shared with the students for revision. Teachers can also use these recordings to prepare question papers, and schools can even utilize them to train the new teachers. But wait, there's more. Parents can also get benefited with the recording lectures because they can use it as a reference to teach their children at home, relying on the same classroom notes instead of spending huge money on the after-school tuitions. By incorporating the digital board with the recording lecture feature, schools can improve the student learning retention and outcomes. We would love to hear your thoughts on this. How important do you think it is for you to have a digital board with the recording lecture feature in your classroom? Share your opinion and ideas in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. We appreciate your support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful educational content.